Guys, welcome to the Pepsi Cooking Challenge. Today, we have Team Mostly Sports against Team Pardon My Take. Gentlemen, welcome to the kitchen. This is how it's gonna work. You each have mystery baskets in front of you. You have to use every ingredient in those baskets, okay?
Hey, Hank.
You don't have to use it. It can be a small quantity, it can be large, but everything in that basket has to be used. Now, you also have access to everything on the pantry over there. I see onions, I see peppers, pasta, buns, broccoli. I also have a fridge full of ingredients here. You can use anything in the fridge,
okay,
and you can use anything in my pantry. So spices, seasons, I probably have pretty much everything. If you need something, just ask. I'll point you in the right direction. You'll have 30 minutes. Open your basket. Actually, open the basket.
Oh, love
Who's
this.
opening the basket?
Open the basket. We'll go through what you have.
So we have some arugula.
You have some spinach.
That's arugula.
You have spinach. You have
hot dogs.
You have sweet Italian sausage. You
We
have
butter.
cream cheese. And you have anchovies.
Oh.
So we have to use all of these.
You have to use everything in that basket. You have the option to use anything over there. We're putting 30 minutes on the clock. Time starts now. Good luck, guys. Good luck.
Dude, like just chop that up and
What are we
like
gonna
mix.
put cream cheese and stir fry?
I don't know,
Okay,
dude.
all right. So,
I don't know.
So we got arugula.
This is gonna be good.
Anchovies.
What are you doing with anchovies and cream cheese?
I don't know. So we definitely just brown those up.
Just brown them
And
up,
then
and then
figure
do
it
we want to? Yeah.
Where's the pots?
Pans up here.
Pots and pans are right behind you, Brandon.
You wanna put a little oil on it?
Yeah.
Fry them up. There.
Don't worry about that.
That's
Don't
all
worry
right.
about that.
So this is our pantry here.
Definitely make some pasta.
I don't know about cream cheese and pasta. That kind of grosses me out.
Can we make like a
What do we
salad?
have? We could do a pimento.
If we make a salad.
No. We're gonna make like a cream cheese. I wish we had some cheddar. So we could do
We have cheddar. We might have cheddar in here.
Wait, can we use that? What can we use?
Not over here?
Oh, this is a thing?
Yeah.
Are we over here or are we over here?
Yeah. So I just have water, generic water boiling. If you guys need water, because that takes time.
You know what?
I'll show you how to use this.
Got it. We're gonna make a pasta.
For anything
Oh
you want.
yeah. That's a good one.
Move, Hank. Move, Hank.
If you need help
I
using
didn't.
that,
I'll show you.
Move. He said
Brandon,
he
do we
used
have?
something.
Yes, you can
we
use
do
anything
have
in
pasta. Okay, yeah.
use anything in there.
Where's the?
Pimento.
Wait, you can't take both pastas.
Why not? He didn't say we couldn't take both pastas.
Fine, I don't even want it.
Yeah, we don't even want it.
No. We took both pastas. Because
which pasta do you want?
we're making a dual pasta. It's never been done. Two pastas in
Okay.
one.
So you guys are thinking pasta? That's the direction you're going?
I think so. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna brown this up,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna brown that up. And then,
What's your strategy over here?
I'm thinking of a pimento cheese sausage dip.
Okay.
Sausage. Yes, because there's cream.
Okay, I
cream
like that.
cheese, pimentos, sausage, spinach we can mix in there too. The anchovies I'm a little whatever. But a dipping situation, I guess we can. I don't really know how to make chips.
You need a vessel, but I like where your head's at,
Yeah.
Max.
Oh, we can get that. We need a fry.
I like where they're at. I have a
But
fryer.
it's flour. We don't have corn tortillas. If it were corn tortillas, we could do our own tortillas. But
I like where your head's at. They're going pasta, so you guys know what you're up against. You're
Yeah.
up against a pasta.
what? No, there should be a clock in here, Donnie. You know there should be a clock in here.
I'll update you every 10 minutes.
Well, how much time's left now?
You have 33 minutes left.
33. You said there was 30 minutes.
There's 35. I misspoke. 35 minutes. They've used 2 minutes. 33 minutes. I like what I'm seeing here from Team Pardon My Take. I did not expect them to be making chips. That was not in my wheelhouse. I put the noodles out there because I thought they'd do pasta. Mostly Sports is doing pasta. They're going in some crazy direction I did not expect. I'm excited. He asked for mushrooms. Brandon asked for mushrooms.
Hank, you keep doing this. Keep doing this. Can I get another cutting board somewhere, or is that it?
With this?
Donnie?
How do you do this, Max?
Careful with that, guys. I do not need someone cutting their finger on this.
Yeah,
please.
be careful, guys. Guys.
That is the most dangerous tool in the kitchen.
Max.
Can I talk to you real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's not PMT.
Yeah, I thought we were doing this against Pardon My Take, guys. But I don't know who these guys are, but
Like as soon as it gets like a little close to your fingers, just stop and go to the other one.
Max,
See if Hank will like it.
you seem like you're the captain of this team. Have you made this before?
No, I haven't. But I saw cream cheese and I saw pimento and I saw sausage and I was like, this seems like a pretty easy, like just sausage and cheese dip. The anchovies I'm a little worried about, but I think that there's enough going on that you're just like not really.
Remember, you don't have to use every. Yeah.
You don't have to use
You don't
that.
use all of it. You can use a little bit.
Okay,
It has
yeah.
to be there.
Don't, Donnie. I don't care. I don't care what you
I
think.
was going to ask, who's the captain of this team? Is it you or who's calling the shots?
We both are.
Whose idea was it to go pasta?
Family.
Olive oil or cooking oil?
Cooking, or we need frying oil.
Here's your frying oil. Let me know where you need it. Just pour that in here.
Yep, just right in there.
Turn it on.
Hey,
Hey, now.
like
all right.
that. No, I like that. I like that.
Tell me when. Tell me when.
That's good. That's good.
The one thing I haven't noticed, no one's asked for salt or pepper. No seasonings have been added. There's been no salt in any of the onions. There's been no. Brandon put salt in the pasta water. But aside from that, no one's used any salt. Should I remind them? I don't know. Maybe I should. Maybe I should say, hey guys, remember to use salt. Guys, I just like to remind you when you're cooking, make sure we're seasoning. Let's not forget about that. Let's not forget about that. And Brandon, your water's boiling too fast. Look at you're overboiling.
Did you?
Again, I'm not here to touch anything.
We're
I'm here
playing
to
a
help.
road game, Donnie. I mean, we don't know what this equipment can do.
18 minutes.
Hey, Max, don't get distracted and start eating it too soon. I really don't know what I'm doing right now.
18 minutes.
I'm trying to create smaller
18 minutes?
pieces.
No,
and
no,
it just
15.
Won't.
It was 18. Like,
I meant 15.
did you just give a cute, knowing look to the camera?
Cook.
He gave
This is
a,
rigged.
he
I think
gave
this
a
is
cute,
rigged.
knowing look to the camera. He went like,
Brandon, you're.
I just see a lot of dairy.
what? What? What?
Nothing.
I got it. I turned it off.
That's not how pasta doesn't just stop cooking when you turn it off. Don't look at me. I'm helping you. I
Dude,
shouldn't
throw
even
it
be
against
telling
the
you
wall.
this. That pasta's gonna be overcooked.
Or you can do al dente. Are we doing al dente?
I don't know.
I'll tell you something, Titus. You're way past el dente. That's.
The
That's
dente.
gonna
We're
be
past the
mine.
dente. The dente is
Past
out.
the dente.
All right, now I need a holder for that. Oh, you just put
No,
that in there.
that's yeah. Put it back in there. There you go.
Thanks.
That's so overcooked. Guys, let's start thinking about these guys. They have to fry chips. They have 10 minutes left. I'm a little worried about their chips. That's like one of their biggest components of this dish. They haven't even started frying yet. Oil is smoking. That oil is hot enough. Is it too hot? We'll find out.
Oh wait, I didn't know it could get too hot.
How could it get too hot?
Everything can get too hot.
Just keep it in for less time.
Okay, Max. Don't overcrowd that. I think you're good.
Okay, okay.
So now you have some burning. Some of that's burning, some of that's not cooking at all. It's a really good idea, Max, but that's burning. I'm sorry, that's burning.
How do I turn it down?
You can't.
It's all right. Burnt chips are great. A little crispy.
Wait, I need this. I need this.
Those aren't done. You know what, I'm done.
Yeah.
You're good. You got it.
Pasta test.
This looks great.
That looks good. Yep, we'll put that
You
cheese on top.
you don't use all the anchovies, please.
Dude, it's not
Well,
sticking.
then why did you?
I
you
said
said you had to use all of them.
all of the ingredients in the basket, not all the anchovies.
okay,
That would
just
be
a touch.
insane.
You said you had to use all the ingredients.
That's what we thought.
You have to use one of everything. I was very clear about that. We can look at the taste.
It wasn't very clear at all. It wasn't very clear at all. I can't get this pasta to stick, dude.
I just said that would have been disgusting.
The pasta's not sticking. What do we do?
We're good.
Just make it less is more.
No,
less
no,
is
no.
more. Less is more. That's cooking.
No, I kind of like the idea of like.
We gotta start blowing. We got a minute.
45 seconds.
Oh my God. Blow. We gotta blow.
Let's get everything on the plate. Everything on the plate. Come on.
Is this on? How do I turn this on?
30 seconds.
Blow. Push.
30 seconds. You're just putting gas on it.
How do I do it?
I'll show you. 13, 12, 10, 9,
No.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Oh, that looks so good with the blow.
2, 1. Hands up. That's it.
Well, that was real good.
Yeah, I think.
I don't know if I'd say that. That was, you guys both made something. You got something on the plate, so I'll give you credit
This
for
looks
that.
good as.
Let's bring them up to the front, please. This
Yep,
kitchen
yep.
has never looked worse. I think Jared After Dark was cleaner than this, but all right.
Yep.
Well, let's talk about the dishes here. We'll start with Team
Oh
OC
my God.
Sports.
These chips are fucking
Describe what you made, please.
Well, we made an old family recipe.
Yeah.
What happened
Kind of what we do
here?
here.
Can you explain?
Well, that actually never made the plate, so we don't need to worry about what's over here because the plate's over there.
Okay, but this is the sauce, yes? That's on the
That's
plate?
the sauce, yeah.
Well,
What we use to make the sauce right here.
yeah.
This is what we'd call broken sauce, but that's, okay. Explain how you use each ingredient. The anchovies, the sauce.
Well, the anchovies are in the sauce.
Okay.
In the sauce.
The green is on the green top.
The green's
It's
on top. The arugula.
The spinach, it's spinach, yep.
The sausage is there, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we use pasta as well.
Okay, wow. Moving on. Team Part of My Take,
Please.
please describe what you've made, please.
We made a pimento cheese dip with sausage and a homemade sweet potato chip.
Okay, and I saw some struggling with getting the oil hot.
Yep.
Did you get everything on the plate, all the ingredients there?
Yes, all the ingredients are in there.
And you made chips. You've never made chips
Never
before?
made chips before.
Okay, well-
I saw the
don't really
cream
make
cheese
sweet potato
and
chip
like
with dip.
a dip is easy to put everything in there, and you can kind of hide like the anchovies. So I thought that would be good. We didn't really have a vessel for the chip, so I saw sweet potatoes over there, and I was like, you know what, we could make a homemade sweet potato chip.
I like that.
But I went a little too risky. I think.
ambitious.
But we tried.
Can you have Hank explain it all, please?
We put everything in. We needed a vessel, and we made a nice vessel. We made some nice, delicious sweet potato chips. I cut up some delicious cheddar and threw it in there, and I think that's going to be the best part of the whole dish.
Okay, well, I think the losing team might have to do the dishes because this is something else. All right, let's try these.
The sweet potato chips are phenomenal. You guys want some sweet potato chips?
I already had some. They're great.
Team Mostly Sports.
This is a pick'em. I got the spread as pick'em.
Going first doesn't help. Really get that sauce. Really get in there with that sauce.
Bad. It's going to stay in his mouth, and then he's going to
Yeah.
influence it.
It's
Not bad.
Not the worst.
Not
thing you
bad.
could have.
It's honestly not bad.
Not bad, huh?
Seasoned. Yeah.
Seasoned pasta. I was trying to warn you, it's a little overcooked,
Well,
but honestly, all things considered, it tastes a lot better than it looks. Like,
Yeah.
the sauce is nice. A little under seasoned, but you know what?
it's there on its own plate.
And the anchovies aren't too strong. Thank God you didn't put them all in.
Well,
Taste them.
we thought you told us to put them on.
Good job, Brandon.
Not bad. I wish you'd cook the spinach. The spinach I was hoping you'd cook in there,
Yeah.
not just put it on top
Cool.
raw, but
Hey, listen.
You use-
we had
That's how
fun.
mom made
Cleanse
it,
the palate.
though,
Cleanse
so
the palate.
it's hard for me to...
Donnie, listen. We had fun. This was awesome. Thanks.
Yeah,
man. All right.
appreciate you, Johnny.
Good
We're
stuff.
out of here.
that's not how it works, guys.
Oh, well, this isn't how it works, man. Are you eating theirs now?
Yeah.
Ugh,
The chip,
how thick,
the
isn't
chip
it?
actually came
How thick, isn't it?
pretty good too.
Doesn't look.
Can't really dip.
It's not really
can't
a
really
dip.
get it.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
broken.
breaking
It's
every
breaking
time?
chips.
Is that what you want on your dip, to break through every single chip?
Well,
you
when the
give
chips
them?
are this burn, you almost have to.
Yeah. Oh man. Now
It
you're,
is. The chips are falling
Wow, I
apart.
can't really eat that.
I like
that
the
for
idea,
'em.
but as a functional vessel, that's the actual timer.
oh man, it's fun. Now it's a
I
big
can't even
clump.
eat this.
Oh my God, how would you even eat such a thing, Donnie?
Maybe we should have gone with a thicker chip. I don't even know how that's
Not
possible.
that bad.
It's good, but to be honest,
That's not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
the cream cheese is really all you. It's a little too much, a little heavy on the cream
We
cheese.
did put 2 pounds of cream
It's
cheese.
kind of.
No, I got nervous because I didn't think about if I just changed the thing
I love where your
immediately.
head's at, but it just takes away from every other ingredient gets lost in that cream cheese, unfortunately.
I shouldn't have gone to the second one.
And I like where their heads at. Very much more ambitious. They showed a lot more cooking knowledge and creativity. But the winners of this cooking challenge, Team Mostly Sports. Guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of the Pepsi cooking competition. We'll be back. We'll see you next time.
Really?
Yeah, we have a lot of these.
No, I meant really? We beat them?
Yeah.